with Mia, and we are going to show you the easiest activity you can do this Christmas, which is, of course,
making reindeer food.
Making reindeer food. So making reindeer food has been a bit of a tradition of ours for years now, and the reindeer love it so much now that in Mia's letter from Santa, he asked if she could make some more this year.
Special reindeer food. He loved it!
So we thought we'd share how we make it,
so you can make some with us too.
Okay, so we've got the ingredients that we'll need, and you can use pretty much anything you like, but you do need a couple of staple base ingredients, which are oats and some form of cereal. And Mia, what else do we have to go in?
We have Smarties.
Smarties.
Candy canes and magic stars.
Yep.
We have magic star sprinkles, and we have holly and
berry sprinkles.
And we have some
Marshmallows. Yeah?
Extra boost.
Extra boost. So basically, alongside your base ingredients, make sure you've got some colourful stuff in there too. Stick to all long shelf life foods and dry foods, nothing too messy. And we also watched Christmas Chronicles recently, and if you've seen it, you'll know just how much reindeer love
Candy canes.
candy canes. Once you've mixed it together, we're now going to keep this in an airtight container until Christmas Eve, but it's not quite finished. There's one ingredient you can't forget.
Glitter spray.
Glitter spray. So this glitter spray is what helps the reindeer fly, isn't it, Mia?
Yes.
So we'll probably add another spritz on Christmas Eve, and we'll pop this into a Christmas bowl and leave it out for them. And there we go.
We hope you liked our video.
And if you're new to my channel, I'm Jenna, an EHO Food Safety Inspector, and I share lots of practical meal prep advice to help make meal times easier. So make sure you subscribe, and if it's Christmas baking inspiration you're after, make sure you check out the video I've linked below for lots more.